If crafting a great ad campaign was easy, every advertiser out there would be able to do it. But no one would argue that most ads are marginal at best, with many being a total waste of time and money. If you have been having trouble getting your ad campaign to drive real solid results, well, I invite you to stick around for the next few minutes as we are going to discuss 10 steps you can use to build and launch a sales driving campaign. Hey, welcome to another episode of Do-It-Yourself Advertising. This is the place where we discuss tips, tactics, and strategies that will help you improve your advertising campaign. Well, now let's get back to today's topic, 10 steps that you can use to build a great campaign. Step number 1, you have to develop your plan. Every battle is won before it even begins. You need to start out by asking yourself a few questions. What do you want the campaign to accomplish? Who's the target? What motivates them? What medium will best deliver that message? And the big question, how much money are you willing to commit to the campaign? You know the cliche, if you fail to plan, you are just planning on failing. So start with a plan. Now, step number 2, you got to kick all the scientists out of the room. Great ads are part science, but mostly art. And you cannot predict the results you're going to get. Too many marketers out there just want to talk metrics, but metrics alone will never make the sale. A compelling message will. Now, please don't take me wrong. I am not at all advocating do not track the results. You need to track leads, website traffic, store ups, all those different metrics that you track. Just don't get hung up on all of those granular metrics. Which leads me to step number 3, create a clear, concise, and really motivating message. Now, without question, this is the most important component of your advertising campaign. You need to be able to tell your story in a way that's going to make consumers sit up and listen. Strip away all the extra details until you find that one reason why someone should choose you. Step number 4, repeat, repeat, and repeat. Repetition is the second greatest force in advertising. And with so many marketers trying to win the attention of those consumers, a few ads here and there aren't going to do the trick. So start with a compelling message and then bang that drum as long and as loud as you possibly can. Step number 5, you need to deliver one message at a time. Put yourself in the shoes of your ideal consumer. They need what you sell. You happen to have what they need. They walk into your store and your sales rep greets them by talking about all the other things that you sell. Well, what happens? The consumer tunes out, walks out, and no sale is made. This is what you do when you crowd too many messages into your ad. So resist the urge to load up all your ads with a bunch of different messages. You need to keep it really simple and keep it really meaningful. Step number 6, you got to get everybody on board. Make sure anyone who has any customer interaction knows everything about the campaign, what's being promoted, and what the offer is. You are guaranteed a very bad review if the consumer knows more about your products and services and what they're offering than your staff does. So make sure the staff's on board. Step number 7, keep a good ad running. A lot of advertisers feel the need, they got to freshen up their ad right after it's run for a while. If your ad is working, leave it alone. If results are slipping and there's no other factors in the marketplace that would account for it, that's when you try a variation of the ad. And did the new ad result in an increase in sales? Well, if yes, make the switch. No change, or worse yet, maybe a drop in sales, you better get back to that old ad pretty quick. Step number 8, measure everything. Phone calls, walk-in leads, visits to the websites, and of course, actual sales volume and market share. You will never know what's working if you don't measure it. Step number 9, be true to yourself. Your ad should reflect the personality of your company. Let that personality shine through your ads. Consumers will be confused if you look like one thing on TV and something very different the minute they walk through your doors. So stick to who you are. And step number 10, finally, beware of all those intruders. Isn't it amazing how everybody in the company, along with friends and family, all become experts when it comes to your advertising campaign? Since you're the one who's actually listening to your customers, follow your instincts about what makes your business special to the customers you serve and value the most. Hey, so there you have it. 10 steps you can take to help you build a successful advertising campaign. Hey, thanks for taking a few minutes watching this episode of Do-It-Yourself Advertising. I really do hope you found it helpful as you go to work building a better ad campaign for you and your company. And hey, this wouldn't be YouTube without the pitch, so get ready because here it comes. If you did like the content, if you found it helpful, I'd really appreciate if you'd consider subscribing to the channel and then feel free to share your comments below. Hey, until next time, I wish you good selling.